Okay, this week's game is Blackjack, and just like the last time, you're going to learn the rules. You're going to follow these links. First link will take you to a page that looks like this. It's just laying out the rules. Blackjack is really simple. You're just trying to get to 21 and not go over. So the first link will look like that. The second link, you'll just watch a video on this. It'll go through what it's like to play a hand. It's like I said, it's really simple to actually play the game. Let's look at what's going on with the assignment here. So this part here is just filling in the words. It's coming just from that first link. When you're reading the rules, you'll fill these in. How much of the things work, or how much are the cards worth, and how does the game work. In this space, it wants you to explain how a hand of blackjack is dealt and played. So just explain like what a hand would look like, just to make sure that you understand that there. These are just terminologies for what's going on. Stand, double down, split, surrender. When are you allowed to split? What are the normal rules for how the dealer must play his or her hand? The dealer has specific rules laid out from the casino about how the dealer is allowed to play the game. So that's what we're looking for here. And then we're looking for payout odds. The last part where we're actually doing the probability, we're doing dependent probability, remember. So what's going on is we're just going to look at the hands that are dealt, and then you're just going to look over here and find some dependent probabilities based off of the cards that are already out. So think about this. There's two cards here, two cards here, two cards here, here, and the dealer has two cards. You don't know one of their cards, but you do know a lot of these cards. So that's going to affect the way that's going to affect your probability over here. So when you're looking at the hand way to the left, the king 10 here, it wants to know what's the probability that you hit and you get to 21. So that would mean there's only, if you have 20 right here, if you hit and get 21, then that means you're going to need an ace. So what's the probability that you get an ace based on the amount of cards that are out and based on the amount of aces that you already see out and all that. So then you want, hit and bust. So what are the cards that would make you hit and bust? It's basically everything but an ace, right? So that's what you're looking for as you go. The rest of them are just like that, except for this last one here. This is different probabilities. Let's say you hit and get a 5 and then decide to hit again. What's the probability after that? Let's say you get a hit and get a 5 and then decide to hit again. What's the probability that you bust on that? So this is, considering if you hit twice. Pretty straightforward. Let me know if you have any questions on that.